सर, अपनों को खुश रखना इससे आसान हो ही नहीं सकता। साहब, अपनों को खुश रखना इससे आसान हो ही नहीं सकता। हुजूर, अपनों को खुश रखना इससे आसान हो ही नहीं सकता।
अपनों को खुश रखना इससे आसान।
अपनों को खुशियां दिलाना आसान नहीं बनाते तो आगे कैसे बढ़ते। इसीलिए हम जो भी करते हैं उसे बेहतर बनाते आ रहे हैं, बनाते रहेंगे। बजाज फिनसर्व, थिंक इट डन।
धोखा है धोखा धोखा ना खाओ जी, जो होगा सो होगा ऐसे ना सोचो जी, कॉल पे कोई पूछे OTP दो ना जी, तो कह देना उनको मिलके स्कैम को एंड करो, हमेशा सेफ रहो जी।
At Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, care comes first. That's why, more than insurance, we champion care that helps Indians worry less and smile more. Care that helps Indians go out and achieve without holding themselves back. Care that brings a smile to millions.
I don't believe any of it. Arey, insurance companies are known for not paying.
नॉट पेइंग? बजाज अलियांस जनरल इंश्योरेंस ट्राई करो।
मेरे को तो मेरा क्लेम सेम डे ही मिल गया, काहीच प्रॉब्लेम नाही झाला।
I got my claim amount automatically. How cool, no?
जनाब, बजाज एलियांस जनरल इंश्योरेंस ने अब तक 1 करोड़ क्लेम सेटल किए हैं। टोटल ऑफ 50,000 करोड़ रुपीस दिए हैं लोगों को।
50,000 करोड़ रुपीस?
जी बिल्कुल।
छोड़ो ना, इंश्योरेंस इज नॉट माय कप ऑफ टी। Too much limitations here.
Limitations? My health insurance is giving me an unlimited sum assured for my treatment. Actually, it's for me and my family.
No, I don't believe it. मतलब ये document, वो document, and it always takes too long.
अब वो time गया, uncle. We got our claim amount in just 20 minutes. Thanks to the Bajaj Allianz General Insurance app. Paper free, problem free. Just technology, uncle.
Yeah, but...
But listen to me. We got our claim easily because our flight got delayed by more than 30 minutes. And it was completely hassle-free.
I know ये कैसे work करता है. Something is always excluded. Something small, but something important.
But our home insurance covers everything inside our house. Hey, darling.
Everything.
Okay. But what about people who really needs insurance? Farmers? Villagers?
अंकल जी, मैं हरप्रीत सिंह पंजाब से, और मेरे पास आएगा फॉर्मित्रा ऐप, वेदर डाटा, पर्सनल एडवाइस और यहाँ तक कि पूरी इंडिया की मार्केट का रेट सब कुछ है इस ऐप पर। ये खेती करने और मेरे बच्चे का फ्यूचर बनाने दोनों में मदद करता है।
And Bajaj Allianz General Insurance has around 1 lakh care advisors across the country.
Also, they have partnerships with some of the most trusted private, public sectors and multinational banks in India today. That's a pan-India network of around 45,000 branches.
Now it's all on your mobile, sir. You can buy a policy or settle the claim all through an app or a QR code.
If everything can happen online, as you say, the online risk, उसका क्या?
सवाल ही नहीं उठता। Thanks to Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, जो मुझे हर तरह के साइबर फ्रॉड से प्रोटेक्ट करता है।
Bajaj Allianz General Insurance provides risk solutions for my electronic business. Thanks to them, I don't have to worry about anything, big or small. I meet all my orders on time.
After the floods in Kerala, their teammates traveled door to door to help people with their insurance claims. They helped me too.
Not just in Kerala, but after the Kashmir floods, Chennai floods, Maharashtra disasters and more. In total, they disbursed claims worth over 2,200 crore rupees.
Okay, now that's impressive.
Sir, today Bajaj Allianz General Insurance covers almost 10 crore Indians. That's 1 in every 13 people in India.
10 crore Indians. Wow.
But we didn't stop at people. We also cover your best friend.
Who? Him?
Sir, are you smiling?
Well, maybe you are right.
Thank you, sir. So you see, that's why for the last 20 years, more than insurance, we have provided care through everything we do. Because our care helps you smile, no matter who you are or what you do. Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, caringly yours.
मेरा नेव्यू बंटी अकेले साइकिल चलाने से घबराता है, तो उसका एक्सपर्ट चाचू कब कम आएगा? साथ साथ चलाएंगे और डर को भगाएंगे। स्मार्ट ना, जैसे बजाज आलियांज लाइफ स्मार्ट असिस्ट, जो आपको इंश्योरेंस एक्सपर्ट के साथ कनेक्ट करे और स्क्रीन शेयरिंग पे प्लान डिटेल से लेकर फॉर्म भरने तक सारा काम चुटकियों में कर दे। स्मार्ट ना, आज ही बिना मिले मिलकर स्मार्ट असिस्ट स्क्रीन शेयर के साथ पॉलिसी खरीद लो, लाइफ गोल्स पूरे कर लो। समझो हो गया।
सर, अपनों को खुश रखना इससे आसान हो ही नहीं सकता। साहब, अपनों को खुश रखना इससे आसान हो ही नहीं सकता। हुजूर, अपनों को खुश रखना इससे आसान हो ही नहीं सकता।
अपनों को खुश रखना इससे आसान।
अपनों को खुशियां दिलाना आसान नहीं बनाते तो आगे कैसे बढ़ते। इसीलिए हम जो भी करते हैं उसे बेहतर बनाते आ रहे हैं, बनाते रहेंगे। बजाज फिनसर्व, थिंक इट डन।
धोखा है धोखा धोखा ना खाओ जी जो होगा सो होगा ऐसे ना सोचो जी कॉल पे कोई पूछे ओटीपी दो ना जी तो कह देना उनको मिलके स्कैम को एंड करो हमेशा सेफ रहो जी
At Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, care comes first. That's why, more than insurance, we champion care that helps Indians worry less and smile more. Care that helps Indians go out and achieve without holding themselves back. Care that brings a smile to millions.
I don't believe any of it. Arey, insurance companies are known for not paying.
Not paying? Bajaj Allianz General Insurance try करो.
मेरे को तो मेरा क्लेम सेम डे ही मिल गया, काहीच प्रॉब्लम नहीं झाला.
I got my claim amount automatically. How cool, no?
जनाब, बजाज एलियांज जनरल इंश्योरेंस ने अब तक 1 करोड़ क्लेम सेटल किए हैं. टोटल ऑफ 50,000 करोड़ रुपीस दिए हैं लोगों को.
50,000 crore rupees.
जी बिल्कुल.
छोड़ो ना. Insurance is not my cup of tea. Too much limitations here.
Limitations? My health insurance is giving me an unlimited sum assured for my treatment. Actually, it's for me and my family.
No, I don't believe it. मतलब ये document, वो document, and it always takes too long.
अब वो टाइम गया अंकल. We got our claim amount in just 20 minutes. Thanks to the Bajaj Allianz General Insurance app. Paper free, problem free. Just technology, uncle.
Yeah, but...
But listen to me. We got our claim easily because our flight got delayed by more than 30 minutes. And it was completely hassle-free.
I know ये कैसे work करता है. Something is always excluded. Something small, but something important.
But our home insurance covers everything inside our house. Hey, darling.
Everything.
Okay. But what about people who really needs insurance? Farmers? Villagers?
अंकल जी, मैं हरप्रीत सिंह पंजाब से और मेरे पास आएगा फॉर्मित्रा ऐप. वेदर डाटा, पर्सनल एडवाइस और यहाँ तक कि पूरी इंडिया की मार्केट का रेट सब कुछ है इस ऐप पर. ये खेती करने और मेरे बच्चे का फ्यूचर बनाने दोनों में मदद करता है.
And Bajaj Allianz General Insurance has around 1 lakh care advisors across the country.
Also, they have partnerships with some of the most trusted private, public sectors and multinational banks in India today. That's a pan-India network of around 45,000 branches.
Now it's all on your mobile, sir. You can buy a policy or settle the claim all through an app or a QR code.
If everything can happen online, as you say, the online risk, उसका क्या?
सवाल ही नहीं उठता. Thanks to Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, जो मुझे हर तरह के साइबर फ्रॉड से प्रोटेक्ट करता है.
Bajaj Allianz General Insurance provides risk solutions for my electronic business. Thanks to them, I don't have to worry about anything, big or small. I meet all my orders on time.
After the floods in Kerala, their teammates traveled door to door to help people with their insurance claims. They helped me too.
Not just in Kerala, but after the Kashmir floods, Chennai floods, Maharashtra disasters and more. In total, they disbursed claims worth over 2,200 crore rupees.
Okay, now that's impressive.
Sir, today Bajaj Allianz General Insurance covers almost 10 crore Indians. That's 1 in every 13 people in India.
10 crore Indians. Wow.
But we didn't stop at people. We also cover your best friend.
Who? Him?
Sir, are you smiling?
Well, maybe you are right.
Thank you, sir. So you see, that's why for the last 20 years, more than insurance, we have provided care through everything we do. Because our care helps you smile, no matter who you are or what you do. Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, caringly yours.
मेरा नेव्यू बंटी अकेले साइकिल चलाने से घबराता है, तो उसका एक्सपर्ट चाचू कब कम आएगा? साथ साथ चलाएंगे और डर को भगाएंगे. स्मार्ट ना, जैसे बजाज आलियांज लाइफ स्मार्ट असिस्ट, जो आपको इंश्योरेंस एक्सपर्ट के साथ कनेक्ट करे और स्क्रीन शेयरिंग पे प्लान डिटेल से लेकर फॉर्म भरने तक सारा काम चुटकियों में कर दे. स्मार्ट ना, आज ही बिना मिले मिलकर स्मार्ट असिस्ट स्क्रीन शेयर के साथ पॉलिसी खरीद लो, लाइफ गोल्स पूरे कर लो.
समझो हो गया.
सर, अपनों को खुश रखना इससे आसान हो ही नहीं सकता। साहब, अपनों को खुश रखना इससे आसान हो ही नहीं सकता। हुजूर, अपनों को खुश रखना इससे आसान हो ही नहीं सकता।
अपनों को खुश रखना इससे आसान।
अपनों को खुशियां दिलाना आसान नहीं बनाते तो आगे कैसे बढ़ते। इसीलिए हम जो भी करते हैं उसे बेहतर बनाते आ रहे हैं, बनाते रहेंगे। बजाज फिनसर्व, थिंक इट डन।
धोखा है धोखा धोखा ना खाओ जी जो होगा सो होगा ऐसे ना सोचो जी कॉल पे कोई पूछे ओटीपी दो ना जी तो कह देना उनको मिलके स्कैम को एंड करो हमेशा सेफ रहो जी
At Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, care comes first. That's why, more than insurance, we champion care that helps Indians worry less and smile more. Care that helps Indians go out and achieve without holding themselves back. Care that brings a smile to millions.
I don't believe any of it. Arey, insurance companies are known for not paying.
Not paying? Bajaj Allianz General Insurance try करो.
मेरे को तो मेरा क्लेम सेम डे ही मिल गया. काहीच प्रॉब्लेम नहीं झाला.
I got my claim amount automatically. How cool, no?
जनाब, बजाज एलियांज जनरल इंश्योरेंस ने अब तक 1 करोड़ क्लेम सेटल किए हैं. टोटल ऑफ 50,000 करोड़ रुपीस दिए हैं लोगों को.
50,000 करोड़ रुपीस?
जी बिल्कुल.
छोड़ो ना. Insurance is not my cup of tea. Too much limitations here.
Limitations? My health insurance is giving me an unlimited sum assured for my treatment. Actually, it's for me and my family.
No, I don't believe it. Well, ये document, वो document, and it always takes too long.
अब वो time गया uncle. We got our claim amount in just 20 minutes. Thanks to the Bajaj Allianz General Insurance app. Paper free, problem free. Just technology, uncle.
Yeah, but...
But listen to me. We got our claim easily because our flight got delayed by more than 30 minutes. And it was completely hassle-free.
I know ये कैसे work करता है. Something is always excluded. Something small, but something important.
But our home insurance covers everything inside our house. And Anneli.
Everything.
Okay. But what about people who really needs insurance? Farmers? Villagers?
अंकल जी, मैं हरप्रीत सिंह पंजाब से और मेरे पास आएगा फॉर्मित्रा ऐप. वेदर डाटा, पर्सनल एडवाइस और यहाँ तक कि पूरी इंडिया की मार्केट का रेट सब कुछ है जी इस ऐप पर. ये खेती करने और मेरे बच्चे का फ्यूचर बनाने दोनों में मदद करता है.
And Bajaj Allianz run.
Good afternoon, shareholders, and welcome to this 14th annual general meeting of Bajaj Finserv. I am Sanjeev Bajaj, Chairman and Managing Director of the company. At the outset, I would, on behalf of the board, like to express our heartfelt condolences to all those who have lost their loved ones to this dreadful pandemic. With the requisite quorum being present, I call the meeting to order. In view of the continuing restrictions on the movement of persons at several places in the country, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and SEBI has allowed companies to conduct their AGM through video conferencing or other audiovisual means without physical presence of members at a common venue. Accordingly, the company is holding this meeting through video conferencing for its second consecutive year. In terms of provisions of SEBI's listing regulations, one-way webcast of the proceedings of this AGM has also been provided to members. The company has taken all feasible effort to ensure that shareholders are provided an opportunity to participate in this AGM. Members participating either through mobile devices, your tablets, laptops, could at times experience some audio-visual loss due to fluctuations in your respective networks. Using a stable Wi-Fi or LAN connection can help this. Members who need technical assistance during the meeting may reach out to KFin Technologies at the email ID or the helpline number that we provided in the AGM notice. Before I commence with my formal address, I would like to introduce all my colleagues on the board of the company. The directors who have joined this meeting remotely are DJ Balaji Rao, Independent Director and Chairman of the Nomination and Remuneration Committee. Dr. Geeta Piramal, Independent Director and Chairperson of the Stakeholder Relationship Committee. Dr. Naushad Forbes, Independent Director and Chairman of the Audit Committee and the Risk Management Committee. Anami Roy, Independent Director. Madhur Bajaj, Rajiv Bajaj, and Manish Kejriwal. All the directors are present at this meeting. Along with me from the AGM venue, S. Srinivasan, our Chief Financial Officer, and Sonal Tiwari, the Company Secretary, are also present. Shravan Jalan and Vaibhav Gupta, who are partners with SRBC and Co., are statutory auditors, and Shyam Prasad Limay, our secretarial auditor, Neeraj Joshi and Anga Moghe, our cost auditor, and the CEOs and CFOs of our 7 subsidiaries are also in attendance. Pursuant to the MCA circulars, following documents are available for inspection electronically: our director's report, the standalone and consolidated financial statements and the auditor's report thereon, the secretarial audit report, and the register of contracts with related parties in which directors are interested under Section 189 of the Companies Act 2013. The register of directors and key managerial personnel and their shareholdings under Section 170 of the Companies Act 2013, as well as the certificate from the statutory auditors of the company that Bajaj Finserv's ESOP, Employee Stock Option Scheme 2018, is in accordance with SEBI's Share-Based Employee Benefits Regulations 2014, and members' resolution is also available. The auditor's report on the standalone and consolidated financial statements and the secretarial audit report for the financial year ended 31st March 2021 do not contain any adverse remark, qualification, or disclaimer, and accordingly those reports are not being read out. Since the meeting is conducted through video conferencing, the option to appoint a proxy is not available at this AGM. The company has received authorization under Section 113 of the Companies Act 2013 from shareholders holding in aggregate 8,91,72,968 shares, representing 56.04% of the paid-up capital of the company. Now, let me commence with my main address to you. Let me begin by announcing a few important milestones that we will be crossing in FY22. Our insurance joint ventures with Allianz, Bajaj Allianz General and Bajaj Allianz Life, both will be completing 20 years of service to policyholders in this year. In these 20 years, Allianz and we have built 2 solid businesses with a combined gross premium of over 24,000 crore and assets under management of just under 1 lakh crore as of 31st March 2021. Despite significantly elevated levels of losses in FY21, our largest subsidiary, Bajaj Finance, has once again demonstrated the resilience of its business model, which generates strong pre-impairment profitability and allows us to absorb higher losses in this crisis. Its 100% subsidiary, Bajaj Housing Finance, has already emerged as a significant company in the group. Its assets under management, that's of a housing company, grew by 19% over the year to almost 39,000 crore as of 31st March 21. In spite of a difficult market during the last few quarters, its AUM has more than doubled since March 2019. Last year, when I was addressing you at our AGM, we, as a business, our country, and the whole world, we were still grappling with the COVID pandemic. The unlock process thereafter was on, and we had completed a quarter with significant negative GDP growth and did not have the visibility on how long the conditions would last. Vaccines were still under development and healthcare infrastructure was still being upgraded. With the Reserve Bank announcing a moratorium on repayments, collection of installments had come down significantly for all lenders, whether banks, NBFCs, and Bajaj Finance was no exception. At that time, we had set down key priorities for our businesses, which were profitability over growth, conserving cash and strengthening liquidity, reducing overheads, and maintaining capital adequacy and solvency. All our businesses, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Housing Finance, BAGIC and BALIC, and our smaller entities rose to the occasion. Keeping the customer at the center, they took several actions that helped us ride through this crisis. Let me take you through some of them. First, we ensured health, safety, and work from home for our employees. Next, we enabled our technology platforms and communication systems to support work from home and ensure least disruption to our customers while conducting business. Third, we carefully looked at each business and function and applied a zero-based budgeting framework to streamline processes and eliminate unnecessary costs. What started as a zero-based budgeting exercise turned out to be a complete re-engineering of processes across various verticals of our businesses. Significant digital properties have been developed and offered to our customers and intermediaries. Fourth, we examined and calibrated the risk profiles of each business of the company to ensure conservatism in new loan bookings. In Bajaj Housing Finance, in the first half of the fiscal, primary focus was on capital conservation, availability of abundant liquidity, operating cost control, prudent provisioning, and a gradual restart of business activities post the first lockdown. It witnessed a recovery in business volumes from the second quarter of last fiscal. BFL and BHFL have maintained strong capital, more than required liquidity, risk and profitability profiles which continue to be reasonably strong in this pandemic situation to retain the highest credit rating across all types of borrowings. On the insurance side, BAGIC and BALIC were able to grow their health and protection businesses respectively even during the lockdown, while being cautious on businesses which had higher risk. Fifth, we took a conscious call to make large and sensible provisions. Thanks to a financially conservative approach that has been a cornerstone of how your company works and its subsidiaries work, we could afford an increase in loan losses and provisions from around 1,500 crores in FY19 to almost 4,000 crores in FY20 and nearly 6,000 crores in the current year. This is in Bajaj Finance, and yet generate reasonable profits for shareholders. Bajaj Allianz General also took provisions for interest on motor third-party losses as well as potential COVID-related health claims. Sixth, as the first wave started to abate, your company accelerated its business rapidly by focusing on customers less susceptible to the economic consequences of the pandemic. To summarize, believing in the dictum, never let a crisis go waste, your company was able to convert adversity into opportunity, which will make us stronger and leaner as growth returns. The net effect of all this during the year was that Bajaj Finance reported a profit after tax of rupees 4,420 crore, BAGIC an all-time high profit after tax of rupees 1,330 crore, while BALIC had a very good year, reporting its highest ever top line, its gross written premium of rupees 12,025 crore. A year on, we are hopefully towards the end of the second wave of COVID. The lockdowns have been localized, which means more sections of the economy stayed open. The vaccination drive has picked up pace, but we know needs to be even faster. Overall, as a business, our ability to cope was better in this second wave. There are concerns that there may be a possible third wave. All I can say is that as a country and as a business, we are better prepared to cope with that than earlier. Let me now take some time to talk to you at a little larger level about your company. BFS of Bajaj Finserv is an unregistered core investment company under RBI regulations, which requires us to invest at least 90% of our standalone assets into group companies. But while we are a holding company legally, in reality, we are a conglomerate of financial services businesses. What this means is that over time, our objective will be to grow our assets and the value of our investments to our customers and our shareholders. The focus will be on what we deliver as a consolidated entity, with our standalone numbers really being relatively insignificant. Your company, Bajaj Finserv, serves tens of crores of customers by providing solutions for asset acquisition through financing, asset protection through general insurance, family and income protection in the form of life and health insurance, and retirement and saving solutions. We are a pan-India brand and a household name. As a brand, our vision is to meet all the financial needs of retail and SME customers across their life cycle. As you know, we have three great businesses in Bajaj Finance, BAGIC and BALIC, and now a new gem in Bajaj Housing Finance. And these have taken us quite a significant way into realizing this vision. But customer demands, expectations and behavior are changing with each generation. The pandemic and the lockdowns have accelerated this change exponentially and digitally. More and more customers are demanding choice, transparency at their fingertips than ever before, all of which can be delivered only through seamlessly integrated digital platforms. Therefore, your company to continue its profitable journey has to be future ready. Bajaj Finance, BAGIC and BALIC will continue to significantly enhance customer experience with sustained investments in their digital offerings. Rajiv Jain has already presented his 3-in-1 app strategy in the Bajaj Finance AGM yesterday. Similarly, Tapan Singhal and the BAGIC team have innovated on many counts, like on-the-spot motor claim settlement. Some of you may have seen the ad of that earlier today. And virtual points of presence. They will continue to invest in the Caringly Yours app, which is their holistic service platform. And Tarun Chug's BALIC team has been making several inroads into digitization with industry-first offerings like a smart assist for customers and agents, which helps them through their buying journey seamlessly. Our upcoming ventures will support these existing businesses by creating ecosystems and marketplaces on digital platforms, combining financial services and technology. Bajaj Finserv Direct and its offering Finserv Markets is the marketplace for all financial services, loans, credit cards, insurance, and EMI consumer store, investments, and so on, all delivered seamlessly through an app-based platform. It's also an open architecture platform, which means it will provide solutions from multiple partners, not just Bajaj products, but multiple partners for each product and offer choice of the providers as well as a seamless one-stop service platform to our customers. It's been live for some time, and if you haven't downloaded it, please go to Bajaj Finserv Markets app on your phones and do so now. Our health tech venture, Bajaj Finserv Health Limited, launched only 18 months ago, is integrating the fragmented healthcare delivery ecosystem with technology and financial services, once again on a digital platform to bring quality healthcare closer to consumers through products, networks, and technology. It is connecting through this digital platform providers of healthcare, over 100,000 doctors now, over 200 labs, hospitals, thousands of diagnostic centers, and insurance and financial services, that is loans, with the users of healthcare, the individual as well as corporate consumers. This app again is launched, and with it, their first product called Arogya Care. Please experience it yourself by downloading the Bajaj Finserv Health app today. Bajaj Financial Securities, a wholly owned subsidiary of Bajaj Finance, is our retail stockbroking business, completing its product suite for its retail and HNI wealth customers. This company offers various investment services like DMAT, broking, margin trade financing, and financing for offer for sale. Again, this is on a completely digital and integrated platform offering low-cost services with high transparency and value. Please download this app. It's again available for you today. During the year, we have also applied for a license to set up an asset management company, which is awaiting approval from SEBI. I remember in past years, some of you, when we met physically, asked us when would we have our mutual fund. And through this, our intention is to offer exactly that, mutual funds and over time portfolio management services, again, digitally at low cost, providing high value to our customers. Let me now make a mention of our CSR programs. Bajaj Group's philanthropic philosophy was articulated by Shri Jamnalal Bajaj, our founder, who had advised that all business activity should look for opportunities for philanthropy. However, when doing philanthropy, business motive should not be considered. We have partnered with over 400 NGO partners over the group, having supported projects in health, education, women's empowerment, environmental sustainability, and made fund allocations of over 1,300 crore in the last 7 years. Bajaj Group has also been at the forefront of the fight against COVID-19, supporting local administrations, NGOs, and communities in this fight. Given the severity of the second wave, we pledged an additional financial support of 200 crore towards our COVID response. This financial support, announced only a few months ago, will be utilized to alleviate the immediate on-ground challenges, as well as to build both capacity and capability to tackle a possible third wave. And as many of you know, this contribution is in addition to the 100 crore that we pledged and spent last year on COVID support. Overall, the group is committed to spend almost 300 crore in various CSR initiatives in this year. We have a flagship program called Certificate Program in Banking, Finance and Insurance, CPBFI, which has seen significant success in this area, covering over 10 states, 200 colleges, and 10,000 students so far. We will this year itself add another 10,000 students to this program. We have also adopted skilling for employability as an area where we would be continuing to dedicate significant resources. I request you to go through the Bajaj Group CSR programs, which is available on our website. For us as a country to achieve the UN Sustainable Development Goals as Agenda 2030, the public and private sector has to work together within national priorities to make the desired level of progress. We are cognizant of the importance of integrating sustainable development dimensions of environmental, social, and governance in our business operations. This is our ESG requirement. Our governance mechanisms lead from the front as they reflect the principles entrenched in our values and policies. We believe not only in meeting compliance requirements, but also going further as we run prudent businesses. Through the large number of rural branches of Bajaj Finance, which brings in new to credit customers, nearly 7 million a year entering the formal financial system for the first time, the large presence of BALIC in the mutual fund space, and the rural and social penetration of BAGIC through its motor, health and crop insurance, our businesses are already making a significant social impact. On the governance front, the Bajaj Group has always stood tall in the Indian corporate sector. Over the next few years, we will be reporting these in greater detail so that our stakeholders are able to understand and appreciate the impact we are making. We have expanded our disclosures in our business responsibility report, which can easily be accessed on our website, and I would urge you to go through it. With our windmills, we continue to generate more renewable power than we consume as a group. We have also initiated a carbon footprint assessment across our businesses and will take necessary measures to reduce it. We have also put in place several measures for the well-being of our employees. Our people are not just employees, but a part of the larger Bajaj family. We consider them as our ambassadors of goodwill, and we are committed to attract, engage, and retain the best talent and provide them a fair, safe, and transparent workplace. We have also announced a comprehensive family assistance program, Together as One, to extend support and financial assistance to families of employees whom we have unfortunately lost in this pandemic. Together as One is an expression of Bajaj Finserv and its subsidiary companies standing by its people in these grieving times and supporting the families of those employees. The program aims to support their children's education till graduation, provide financial assistance to the family, and provide for an extended medical insurance coverage. Before I conclude, let me take you through the highlights of the first quarter of this current financial year that has just been announced to the stock exchanges. Bajaj Finserv's consolidated total income stood at 13,949 crore, just marginally lower than 14,192 crore in the first quarter of the previous year. Our consolidated profit after tax stood at 833 crore versus 1,215 crore because of some mark-to-market changes in this period. Bajaj Finance reported a consolidated profit after tax yesterday of 1,002 crore. Our general insurance company, BAGIC, reported a profit after tax in the first quarter of 362 crore, while our life insurance company reported a shareholder's profit after tax of 84 crore. This first quarter for Bajaj Finance, with the localized lockdowns that took place, has been muted for business, but it has allowed us to take higher provisions so that we stay solid as a company and get ready for the coming quarters. And July is already looking better. Our general insurance company, because of COVID, took on significant amount of claims in the first quarter on COVID, and that was the right thing to do for our policyholders. While our life insurance company has actually grown 45% in its top line in the first quarter and has started the year very strong. Now, coming to terms of provisions of the Companies Act 2013 and SEBI's listing regulations, members holding shares as on the 14th of July 2021, which was our cutoff date, are entitled to exercise voting on the resolutions contained in the AGM notice dated 28 April 2021. Shareholders holding shares as on the cutoff date were provided an option to cast their votes remotely from 18th of July 9 a.m. to 20th of July 5 p.m. by logging into the e-voting platform of KFin Technologies. Shareholders who have joined this AGM and have not cast their vote so far can vote at this meeting. Shyam Prasad Lime, the practicing company secretary, has been appointed as a scrutinizer for scrutinizing the e-voting process. Before putting now resolutions to vote, I would like to brief you on the resolutions. Resolution 1 is an ordinary resolution. You can see all of them on your screen. Adoption of the standalone and consolidated financial statements for the financial year ended 31st March 21, together with the directors' and auditors' reports thereon. Resolution number 2, again ordinary, is the declaration of dividend of rupees 3 per equity share of face value of rupees 5 each for the financial year ended 31st March 2021. Third resolution, again an ordinary one, is the reappointment of Shri Madhur Bajaj as director who retires by rotation. And the fourth resolution, again ordinary, is ratification of the remuneration of the cost auditor for FY 2022. Now, I would like to invite queries and comments from shareholders who had registered themselves as speakers. To ensure participation from maximum shareholders, I would request the speakers to be brief, precise, and avoid repeating questions already asked. Speakers have accordingly been allocated 3 minutes each to offer their comments and seek clarification. And any questions, queries that we have received over email will also be taken up subject to the availability of time. Let me now hand it over to the moderator.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now hear from our shareholders. We have a list of shareholders who have registered to speak, and we shall follow the sequence circulated to you. Kindly restrict your comments or clarifications sought to a maximum of 3 minutes. Our first shareholder to speak is Mr. Dinesh Bhatia. Mr. Bhatia, you are now unmuted and in the meeting. Kindly do switch on your camera and speak.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you're loud and clear.
सुन सकते हैं मुझे सर? हेलो.
Yes, sir, you're clear. Please go ahead.
चेयरमैन जी, फर्स्ट तो मैं आपको और आपका पूरा टीम को कांग्रेचुलेशन कहूंगा कि जो हमारा कंपनी ने जो एक्सेलेंट प्रॉफिट किया है, एक्सेलेंट वर्क है हमारा कंपनी का, जिसके कारण आज हम देखेंगे कि हमारा शेयर का भाव जो है आज डबल के आसपास, लास्ट ईयर से डबल से अधिक हो गया है. तो ये आपकी और आपकी मैनेजमेंट टीम की ये मेहनत दिखा रही है. उसके लिए मैं आप सभी लोग को कांग्रेचुलेशन कहता हूं कि हमारी कंपनी ऐसे ऐसे आगे बढ़ती रहे. और बाकी मैं आपको और आपकी टीम को जो काफी अवार्ड जो मिले हैं उसके लिए भी कांग्रेचुलेशन करता हूं कि अच्छी बात है. ऐसे ही आगे आगे हमारा कंपनी को और भी अवार्ड मिलते रहे, ऐसी हमारी शुभकामना है. मेरी खास आपको एक ज विनती है सर कि हमारा शेयर का जो भाव जो है कम से कम 5,400 हुआ था और ज्यादा से ज्यादा 13,000 हो गया था. आज हमारा शेयर का भाव है 12,591. काफी अच्छा भाव है. तो हमारा शेयर का जो वैल्यू जो है 5 रुपया जो है, 5 रुपीज पर शेयर है. तो हम आपको रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि हो सके तो आप उसको स्प्लिट कीजिए, 1 रुपये में स्प्लिट कीजिए. तो क्या है कि शेयर का लिक्विडेशन बढ़ेगा तो मार्केट में थोड़ा फ्लो बढ़ेगा, अपना शेयर का ट्रेडिंग भी बढ़ेगा. जो लिमिटेड ट्रेडिंग हो रहा है उसके बदले जो शेयर की संख्या बढ़ेगी तो मार्केट में फ्लो भी बढ़ेगा. और मैं मानता हूं कि अगर आप 1 रुपया किया या 2 रुपया किया, 1 रुपया अच्छा रहेगा. तो हमारा जो अभी जो मार्केट उसका आप 1/5 करेंगे तो उससे भी डबल तो हो ही जाएगा. हमारा जो 12,000 का भाव है आज, वो एटलीस्ट हमको 5,000 के आसपास तो मिलेगा ही. तो आप जो हो सके तो बस, बाकी तो कुछ नहीं कहते. ये स्प्लिट का आप आपका बोर्ड मीटिंग में लीजिए और वो कुछ डिसाइड कर दीजिए. बाकी तो थैंक यू. आपने जो बोलने का आपका और आपका जो सेक्रेटरियल टीम है बहुत बढ़िया है। शेयर होल्डर के प्रति उनकी जो भावना जो है, हमें इसमें लिंक देने के लिए इसमें 2 दफे कल भी रिफ्रेश किया था, आज भी रिफ्रेश किया था, उसके लिए हमें आने की भी अच्छा लगा कि कोई सेक्रेटरियल लोग को ऐसा शेयर होल्डर माने बोर लगे, लेकिन आपका सेक्रेटरियल टीम भी आपके माफिक एथिक वाली टीम है जो हमें शेयर होल्डर को आपके नजीक लाने की कोशिश करती है। थैंक यू सर।
Thank you, Mr. Bhatia. Our next shareholder to speak is Dr. Arun Kumar Bopanna. Dr. Bopanna, you're now unmuted and in the meeting. Kindly do, well, you switch your camera on. Please do go ahead.
Good afternoon. Thanks to Sonal Tiwari, the company secretary, for all the help and assistance to join this 14th AGM. Many thanks to her and grateful to her. So did you convey my sentiments to your father yesterday? I had conveyed my sentiments. Do repeat it today also. I'm happy to tell you my entire family health insurance with Bajaj Allianz. I'm happy with them through Ravindra Manganak, the best agent I have in Mumbai. I sincerely compliment Bajaj FinServ for their growth, for following all the SOPs during COVID in the last 15 to 18 months. Sir, life and death were in the same breath during the last 15 months. I think still it is continuing. When do you expect this danger to ease? Will COVID really ease the danger of loss of life with the third wave, I mean? So I wish Sanjeev Bajaj and his team all the best for future. I support all the resolutions. My only question was asked by Dinesh Bhatia, the split of shares, sir, because it's too expensive. I would request the board to consider and make it 1 rupee. I am proud Bajaj Group has great public trust. Hence, I am confident the growth will be robust in future. Happy Bajaj FinServ is ready for business to expand, being resourceful enough to meet the demand. I wish management to create and not wait, and to be free from the government and financial markets bait, and boldly reach out to seize the opportunities to serve everyone in the rural communities. In conclusion, I wish Bajaj FinServ all the success to read the tea leaves right, be profitable with all their might. Thank you again. But lastly, sir, magnificent people are carefully created by God. Magnificent moments are carefully planned by God. Magnificent friends are carefully gifted by God. And I'm happy you're one of them. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Dr. Bopanna. Ladies and gentlemen, our next speakers will be Mrs. Celestine Mascarenhas and Mr. Aloysius Mascarenhas. Mr. and Mrs. Mascarenhas, you may go ahead, switch your cameras on and speak in turn.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, we can hear you. Please go ahead and speak.
Good. Respected Chairman, Mr. Sanjeev Bajaj. Also, I give my greetings to the Emirates Chairman, Rahul Bajaj, other honorable directors in the virtual meet. Also, my fellow shareholders who are attending this virtual meet. My name is Mrs. C. Mascarenhas. I am attending from Mumbai. First of all, I have to say a big thank you to our company secretary, Sonal Tiwari and her team for sending me an balance sheet. Of course, I would prefer a physical one because I get a lot of eye watering when I look at that online. So I don't know when that physical will be given, at least to senior citizens. And also for registering me and giving me this platform to speak. Now I come to the annual report. It is very good. Whatever it is in pandemic, dividend of 3 on the face value of 5 is definitely, though our PBT PAT is standalone is come down. EPS has also bit down. But whatever it is, I am very happy with the market capitalization. I cannot think that it is 12,000, nearly 13,000 And as my earlier shareholder also said about split, so I won't say, the board will decide whatever is best to us. Before I go ahead with my queries, I gave a big congratulations for all the awards and the accolades received during this pandemic period. Also, I appreciate all the CSR work, especially in this time of crisis. Now my query, sir, how many of the staff were affected by COVID, and any fatalities? You told that salary and all that, I think JSW. So what was given help to them, and the vaccination level, are all our staff already vaccinated in two times? Second, I also endorse the view 5-1 becoming more affordable to small investor and also increasing the liquidity. My third query is, we have these two insurance companies. When you are thinking of listing them, I don't know, General Insurance, Bajaj Allianz, General Insurance, or Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance, because the market is quite overheated and there is so much demand for new good paper, and we will definitely get a good big investors with deep pockets waiting for investment, and thereby our premium of FinServ will go very high. So could you throw some light on this? So in the under the Bajaj Allianz Life, how many COVID deaths you received, and the time taken for the settlements of the COVID claims? What about, for 5 number, what about having insurance cover for our deposit? We are also very fond of depositing with Bajaj FinServ under Bajaj Finance. So any sort of cover you can give to the depositors, also a cover to the borrowers. And not only that, we have non-life insurance, so also to their assets created by the borrowers, so that our business of the insurance is also goes. And we are very much having very good faith in the Gandhian principles observed by our founder, Mr. Rahul Bajaj, and I know you all will not leave any stone untouched to give good valuation to the small shareholders. I support all the resolutions, and I wish our Bajaj FinServ goes in strength to strength, and good health, good wealth to one and all. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Mrs. Mascarenhas. We'll request Mr. Aloysius Mascarenhas to kindly go ahead and speak. Do we have a technical problem here? Maybe we'll come back to Mr. Mascarenhas a little later. Our next speaker is Mr. Yusuf Rangwala. Mr. Rangwala, we're going to unmute you, and please do switch your camera on and go ahead. Thank you. Mr. Rangwala, you're in the meeting.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Good evening, sir. Can you hear my voice?
Sir,
good afternoon, sir. Can you hear?
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. First time, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm very good afternoon, sir. I'm very thankful to our company secretary, Mrs. Sonal Madam, for sending me twice a link, and also remember video. This show how our board. This is a very excellent company, sir, and very knowledgeable. And our market is about 13,000 share. And you given the dividend on ₹5, ₹3 is a very good. And sir, as you mentioned in the chairman speech, sir, we have distributed around 1,000 crores, and we are having around, sir, we had a Bajaj Alliance, which is one of the not one company in this insurance. So I would like to know, all like you mentioned, you cover everything. Create account also. What is for opening a demat account? For a year, sir. And sir, I am very happy with this platform. Our agent are Karvi, because sir, I'm facing the Karvi people. I'm very unhappy with the Karvi people, sir. What I'm locking my account, sir? I cannot understand, sir, why they're doing to me, sir. And nobody's giving me services, sir. I'm very unhappy with the Karvi people, sir. Please give my message to Karvi people to help me in this. And they're blocking my password, sir, in this Karvi people. आपका सब पूरा ग्रुप कार्वी का है सर. This is a very good sir. You appoint this WebEx. I'm very happy with WebEx services. And sir, I also joined our two speaker. Our share is around 13,000. Why are you splitting a share to ₹1, sir? So that will help us, and more people will join us, sir. And nothing more to add. Sir, Ganesh Chaturji is very nearby. So I wish our company with Ganesh Chaturji, and sir, also I also wish our company chairman, Mr. Bajaj Rahul. Also, can you see me? Can you see? Also pray the Sanjeev. Also acknowledge. Anything more to add?
We do seem to be having a problem. Okay, we do seem to be having a problem, Mr. Rangwala, but thank you very much for your kind sentiments and your good wishes. We'll come back to Mr. Aloysius Mascarenhas, who we...
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Mr. Rangwala? Okay, we'll move to Mr. Aloysius Mascarenhas, and hopefully we've sorted out his technical problems.
Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. You're loud and clear. Please go ahead, sir.
Yeah. Respected Chairman, sir, very distinguished members of the board, and my fellow shareholders. Good afternoon to you all. My name is Aloysius Mascarenhas. At the outset, I thank the management, our company secretary,
Okay,
good, even though not better than last year, but very good, taking into consideration the pandemic that we are facing here in India and the world at large. So here I would like to know what is our casualty, and all our staff are vaccinated. And more importantly, who are our peers and competitors, and what is our market share? Many questions have been asked. Very good dividend has been given, and many questions have been asked by my predecessor shareholders and my wife. So I'd like to stop here, wishing you personally, all the board members, and more importantly, all the employees, all the very best in the days and years to come. With this, sir, thank you very much for patient hearing. Stay safe. Stay safe. Thank you.
I went to the other.
Thank you, Mr. Mascarenhas. With this, we come to the end of this section, and I hand the proceedings back to our Chairman and Managing Director, Sri Sanjeev Bajaj. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, and I'd like to thank shareholders for all those queries. We'll start with our CFO, Srini, taking through some of the questions.
Yes. The first question was on the stock split. Why we are not splitting the stock? I think that's a very good question. If you recall, last year the price has gone down to almost well below 4,000, and the last few months it has really increased. We thank the shareholders for asking this question. We will be looking into that. As of now, we have not done an evaluation, but going forward, we will see what is the right thing to do for all our shareholders. Thank you for that question. The second question was whether hard copy of annual report can be sent to senior citizens. That again is a very good suggestion. We will look into what is the industry practice, the SEBI regulations, and see whether we can do it from next time onwards. In terms of the vaccination drive for our employees, we have been, I think, 2 of our companies are registered with CoWIN. We have tie-ups with hospitals, not only in Pune, but also across the country in several cities across the country. And we have made significant progress in vaccinating our employees. Approximately about 65% of our employees are already vaccinated. These also includes employees who are on roles of our partners, manpower services partners. And about 10% of the employees were affected with COVID, so they're not due for a vaccination. There are still about 20-25% of our employees who are in remote areas where we are now talking through our hospital networks of BAGIC and BALIC to try to reach them and try to provide vaccination facilities for them as well. Obviously, it's only the first shot. Some of us have had our second shot, especially the older age people who are above 45. But as time goes by, we will be providing them with a second shot as well. We think that over the next 2 to 3 months, we should have made significant further progress in vaccinating our employees. And we think this is very much very critical in our preparedness for the third wave. All our employees and hopefully their families should be fully vaccinated so that we are in a better position to tackle a third wave if it does happen. The next question was on COVID deaths. I don't have the exact number with me, but across the 3 companies, we would have lost about 75 of our employees, and they are part of our family. And as Sanjeev mentioned in his opening speech, we have taken several steps in providing various facilities for their families, including financial assistance for their children's education, and this will be till they graduate. And we hope we hope there are no more casualties. And with the vaccination drive, we are hopeful that our employees will be safe as we go forward. With this, I think we have answered most of the questions. If there are anything left, I don't think so.
Yeah, let me take over from there. And there was a question from Mrs. Mascarenhas on listing of the insurance companies. As you know, some other private sector insurance companies have listed. At this point of time, Allianz and Bajaj has no plans to list these 2 companies in the near future, but it is something that we keep reviewing. I also note that Mrs. Mascarenhas' eyes start watering because of her age with the digital report. So we will, Mrs. Mascarenhas, send you a physical copy as well. And if anybody else needs one, please do email us. We also note Mr. Rangwala's poor service with Karvy, and we will talk to Karvy about that. So with that, we've answered all the questions. And members who have not yet cast their vote are requested to do so now. This facility shall remain open for another 15 minutes. The results of the e-voting, along with the consolidated scrutinizer's report, would be declared and posted on the company's website and KFIN's website not later than 23rd of July 21 and shall also be submitted to the stock exchanges. A recorded transcript will also be made available on the company's website as soon as possible. Subject to the voting, and once again, thanking you all for your good wishes, I declare the proceedings of the meeting as concluded. Thank you for participating at the meeting, and I pray along with the board for your good health and safety.